this problem, we are told to simplify and write our answer in the form a plus bi. So basically what I have here is just one big complex fraction that I need to simplify. So I'm going to start with the bottom part right here, the 1 minus I over 1 plus I. So my common denominator is going to be 1 plus I. So when I convert 1 into a fraction with 1 plus I as my denominator, what I get is 1 plus I over 1 plus I. And that's all being subtracted by I over 1 plus I. So when I simplify all that, I'm going to add my numerators together. So the I minus I will cancel. I'm left with just 1 over 1 plus I. So looking back now at the big picture, the whole fraction, what I have is now 1 plus I over 1 plus I. I'm sorry, what you have is actually 1 plus I over the fraction 1 over 1 plus I. So be careful with these. Make sure you don't make any careless mistakes. So if I look now at this weird fraction over here, the I over 1 plus I, what I do is I'm going to be multiplying by the reciprocal. So what I end up with is 1 plus, then when I flip this part right here, the 1 and the 1 plus I, I'm going to get 1 plus I will now be multiplied times the I in the numerator over 1. So now, if I look at the 1 plus I times I, what I have is 1 plus, parentheses, I plus I squared. Now remember, I squared is equal to negative 1. So what I have is 1 plus, parentheses, I minus 1. So 1 plus I minus 1, the 1's will cancel. I'm left with just I, and that is my final answer.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.